बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स एंड फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स का सब्जेक्ट कोड आपको 604 6M के लिए है और ये यूनिट फर्स्ट है। इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए क्योंकि जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं ना उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो आप शुरू से लेकर अंत तक देखिएगा, आपको ही बेनिफिट होने वाला है। और 6M का जो मेरा प्ले लिस्ट में है उसमें सारा उसमें मिल जाएगा MCQ, आप वहां से भी देख सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना देर के हुए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर जो है वो फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स इज, तो फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स इज के मतलब क्या होता है? द स्टडी ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ ड्रग, दैट इज कॉल्ड फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट की अगर हम बात करें यानी कि सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर, व्हाट डज फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स इंक्लूड्स, क्या होते हैं? एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ सब्सटेंस, इसका जो आंसर होता है वो क्या होता है? एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ सब्सटेंस। नेक्स्ट है थर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर, द मेन मैकेनिज्म ऑफ मोस्ट ड्रग एब्जॉर्प्शन इन जीआई ट्रैक्ट इज, द आंसर इज डी, पैसिव डिफ्यूजन, दैट मींस लिपिड डिफ्यूजन। ओके, नेक्स्ट बात करेंगे फोर्थ क्वेश्चन नंबर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सब्सटेंस कैन नॉट परमिट membranes by passive diffusion? Hydrophilic substance, the answer is D. Next is 5 question number, a hydrophilic medicinal agent has a flowing property, the answer is A, low availability to penetrate through the cell membrane lipid. Okay, the answer is A. Next is 6 question number, pick out the appropriate elementary route of administration when passage of drug through liver is minimized, the answer is C, rectal. Okay, next is 7th question number, which route of drug administration is most likely to lead to the first pass effect, the answer is B, oral. Okay, next is the answer is B. Next is 8th question number, biological barrier include all except renal tubes, renal tubules, answer is A. Next is 9th question number, what is the reason of complicated penetration of some drug through brain blood barrier, the answer is C, absence of pores in the brain capillary endothelium, the answer is C. Next is 10th question number, the term biotransformation includes the following process of physicochemical and biochemical alteration of the drug in the body, the answer is D. Okay, next is 11th question number, biotransformation of the drug is to render them less lipid soluble, the answer is D. Next is 12th question number, take the drug type of which microsomal oxidation is the most prominent, the answer is A, lipid soluble, the answer is A. Okay, next is 13th question number, pick out the right statement, इसका जो right statement है वो क्या है? Microsomal oxidation results in an increase of the ionization and water solubility of a drug, the answer is C. Next is 14th question number, metabolic transformation phase 1 is transformation of substance due to the oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis, the answer is B. Okay, next is 15th question number, conjugation is coupling of a drug with an endogenous substrate, the answer is C. Okay, next is 16th question number, which of the following process proceed in the second phase of biotransformation, the answer is A, acylation, the answer is A. Okay, ये क्या है? acylation, ये सेकेंड फेज है किसका? बायोट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 17 क्वेश्चन नंबर, हाफ लाइफ is the time required to change the amount of the drug in the plasma by half during elimination, the answer is A. Okay, next is 18 question number, half life does not depend on time of the drug absorption, the answer is B. Next is 19 question number, the rate of diffusion of the drug across biological membrane is directly proportional to the concentration gradient, the answer is A. Okay, next is 20 question number, aqueous filled pores present in the cell membrane responsible for the absorption of, तो जो आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा, बी। नेक्स्ट 21 क्वेश्चन नंबर देखेंगे। पैसिव डिफ्यूजन इज एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय a fixed first law of diffusion. The answer is A. Next is 22 question number. Noyes and Whitney equation is used to describe dissolution. The answer is B. Next is 23 question number. Barium sulfate is used to study gastric emptying. The answer is A. Barium sulfate. Next is 24 question number. The rate of drug transport across the cell membrane by lipid diffusion depends on all of the flowing except density of transporter. The answer is C. Next is 25 question number. According to pH partition theory, a weakly acidic drug will most likely be absorbed from the stomach because the drug which exists primarily in the unionized more lipid soluble form. The answer is A. Next is 26 question number. Which tissue has the greatest capacity to biotransform drug? Liver. किसको greatest capacity जो है वो liver को है biotransformation transform drug. The answer is B. Next is 27 question number. Which form of drug shows rapid dissolution rate amorphous? The answer is B. Amorphous का. Next is 28 question number. Protein binding of drug helps to maintain sink condition for absorption of drug. The answer is B. Next is 29 question number. When the solvent in association with the drug is water, the solvent is known as hydrate. The answer is C. Next is 30 question number. Which of the following is carrier mediated transport system is active transport? कौन से? Active transport. The answer is B. Next is 31 question number. As per BCS system, class 1 drug comes under high solubility, high permeability. The answer is A. Next is 32 question number. Dissolution test apparatus 1 as per IP is paddle. The answer is A. Next is 33 question number. Various weak bases having pKa 5 are unionized at all pH value. The answer is C. Next is 34 question number. Based on Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, at what pH value weak acid would be 99.9% ionized at pH equivalent to pK plus 3? The answer is B. Next is 35 question number. Micro-ionized form drug absorbed fast because surface area is increased. क्या हो रहा है? Surface area increase हो रहा है, तो इसका आंसर A होगा. Next is 36 question number. Which of the following drug diffuse readily into the brain? Thiopental. The answer is B. Thiopental. Next is 37 question number. While soluble vitamins means absorbed by endocytosis. The answer is D. Endocytosis. Next is 38 question number. Water soluble drugs of molecular weight less than 100 type of drug are absorbed by pore transport mechanism. The answer is D. Water soluble drug is molecular weight less than 100. Okay. Next is 39 question number. ACE inhibitor enalapril is absorbed by a small peptide carrier system. The answer is C. A small peptide. Next is 40 question number. Absorption of glycofulvin and spironolactone is dissolution rate limited. The answer is B. Dissolution rate limited. Next is 41 question number. Which of the following strategies are widely used to improve or promote transport of the drug to brain? The answer is D. All of the above. A is use of the DMSO and B is use of the mannitol and C is prodrug approach. The answer is D. All of the above. Okay. Next is 42 question number. In carrier mediated transport, energy is derived from hydrolysis of ATP. The answer is A. Hydrolysis of ATP. Okay. Next is सब्सक्राइब प्लीज जरूर करें. ओके. शेयर जरूर करें और कमेंट और लाइक तो जरूर करें और हमेशा खुश रहें। ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए बाय।